Are you planning a home renovation and have a million questions like not knowing where to begin, what the budget looks like, being unclear about your design style, or concerned about hiring the wrong GC for the project? You watch renovation shows on HGTV and think, it doesn't sound bad. I'm going to DIY my dated kitchen. Then reality hit, project delays for months. Change orders kick in, resulting in budget overruns, and you are forced to make rapid decisions just to keep the project moving forward. So you make those decisions based on emotion, not clarity. Hi, I am Wynn. I am an interior designer and construction project manager with over 16 years of experience. I often get called mid-construction to solve the exact problems I just mentioned. That is why I created the Renovation Planning Studio to help you organize and plan your project using the professional framework, the 80-20 rule. 80% planning and only 20% construction. Click the link below on this channel page to join our Renovation Planning Studio community on School. For just $9, you can join our weekly workshop where we will map out your project together, protect your budget, and minimize your renovation stress. Hit subscribe, join the community, and let's renovate like a pro.